Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application. If I can actually find it. Oh, there we go. Now in here, click on the three dots and navigate to settings. And here we're looking for import contacts. I'm gonna allow. Then select where you want to import them from. For me, that's going to be the SIM card. Choose the contacts that you want to import. You can select all of them right here quickly. Click on done, and then choose where you want to import them to. Import, and you're done. Your contacts have now been imported, and you should see them in the list right here. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.